How to find account management settings on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find account management settings on Deezer mobile. First then open Deezer, and here you will find this icon here in top corner. Now click on it, and here you will find it, account management. Then click on it, and here you can manage your account settings. You can change your email address or your password, and then just go back, it will be saved. And that's it, it's easy. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.